Hello everybody, and we're back because apparently Bandicam says 10 minutes is enough for one video.
Dun, 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 dun. Dude, you
Well,
know how to edit, right? You know how to put together 10-minute videos.
No, I really don't. What do I do?
Put them into YouTube as private videos and then combine, you know what? Never mind, Jimmy. Just find some easy editor and then combine them.
Oh boy, Windows recording, Windows Movie Maker.
No, don't, because you have to convert video to do that. And that takes a while.
Hold up. Alright, Robert, I think part of the problem is Alex. So I'm not going to add him to the call. Robert?
Failed hard. I failed hard. I know.
What the heck? Oh, poor squid. It was dying. Dun 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 dun.
Okay, Jimmy.
Yeah?
Good news.
What?
My mom and dad are gone, so they won't be interrupting, and I won't have to mute my mic every 2 seconds.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, they're gone to Holt to see my auntie. I was meant to go. I didn't.
Persuasion.
But yeah. So has the video been 10 minutes?
Yeah, but I am recording it again, and I'm probably gonna edit them together.
Okay. So what? So we on video 2 now?
Yep, video 3 actually.
Are we on the? Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, boy.
You're recording, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gonna.
Do we have any flint anywhere? Oh, there's a flint. A ton of flint.
Probably. Yeah, I have like a billion.
You have flint
Have you
and
noticed
steel.
I've been making a path?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a billion from misplaces.
And then he mutes his mic again.
Okay, now they're gone. Yeah, I'm just logging in now.
Dang it.
What? Hello. Oh, wow.
Can you do something for me?
Well,
Not you, I'm
what?
talking to Exelite.
Who? What? Then my super secret password. That's secretly I love bacon. With everybody knows. Now everybody's gonna be trying to log into me. Forensic. Oh yeah, make sure to put the IP in the description. It's like a super. Oh, cool, you finished it. Fly. Yeah, Jimmy, make sure to put the IP in the description. It's a super, super cool, amazing. Oh God, no! I may have broken it. I broke it.
You exploded the whole entire boat!
No!
Alright, since we don't have the money to buy fire blocks, I will go and make us some nether brick fences.
Okay.
Don't they expect that when you're building a boat, you'd want to light the sides on fire, like,
Oh hey, we need to
seriously?
put on a fireworks show for my old boat, if you know what I mean.
Burn it down?
Hell yeah.
Why don't we just burn it? Okay, this is not a really big boat, but it looks
Burn
okay.
it down to the ground. It looks cool. I like it. We could eventually live here if we got bored.
No, thank you. I'm not living in this piece of crap.
Oh yeah.
Just kidding. It's not a piece of crap. I built it.
What?
I built this boat.
Well, I never said it was a piece of crap.
I know. Oh gosh, that's not safe.
Well, yeah, I know. You just fall off. Wait, who needs safety when you have YOLO? You know?
You know, Oloy. Only losers obey YOLO.
Yeah. Or, well, only losers obey YOLO, so only losers. Wait, no. You obviously have.
You obviously
Whatever
love
you said
Oreos.
to me the other day, I was trying to steal your joke.
You obviously love Oreos. Or you
Yeah,
obviously
so-
love One Direction.
So you're saying only losers love Oreos?
Huh? No.
Loser?
No, that's Oloy. Only losers obey YOLO.
Yeah, so you're saying only losers like Oreos?
Oh.
Oh yeah, I gained no honor.
I gained 50.
50 honor in my last 5 minutes.
No. Go get me some glass, Slade.
I'm an artisan.
What's that?
Do you know the guilds?
Oh, what does an artisan do?
Do you know what a guild is?
Yeah,
No?
I'm gonna be in a thief
Yeah, I
guild.
joined the artisan guild.
Oh, that's cute.
Apparently the thief guild is the worst one. So I've heard.
Why?
I don't know.
You can steal stuff.
Yeah, I know, but you have to learn it, and to learn it costs like a bajillion, trillion.
Why do we have
No.
so much
Yeah.
so much iron, but we haven't smelted it?
Bean, bon.
Go get me.
Bean, bon.
I can't believe you
Okay.
gave the rest of our glass to that slave.
But they needed it. Ah.
We need it now.
I was trying to do a good thing.
You didn't do anything good for me. I'm gonna go buy glass,
No.
cause you know.
No.
Oh man. Oh, my
He's the
frames
women
dropped to
of this group.
15 frames.
He represents the women's. And he's like, but the glass is on half price if you buy 64. When would you ever need like 3 stacks of glass? Well, Jimmy's like, oh, maybe we're building a glass
Thank
dome.
you. We'll be building a glass dome next. I can't find the glass. Do they even sell glass?
Yeah, probably not.
Well, I'm gonna look
I know
into the
they're
builder's
back.
shop because I'm a builder now, and I'm sexy. Oh man, my frames are so bad up here.
Okay, so apparently my dad forgot something and now he's back.
Sweet.
After you eat that, take that.
Yes, ma'am.
Jimmy,
Yeah.
ignoring me there. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, ignoring me.
I said that's cute.
Ignoring me, aren't you?
I'm not ignoring you.
I can't hear you if you're talking, by the way. Jimmy?
Hello?
Oh, hello. A sheep, let's slaughter it.
You're mean. What a sheep, let's slaughter it. Okay. I gotta go in 40 minutes. Robert?